Hi, I'm Gloria McDonald, and I'm going to show you how to install and set up your GivBux app. So first of all, go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, find GivBux, GIVBUX. You'll see it's the purple icon with the white G in it. And all you do is you tap on install and then you wait for it to install. Once your app is installed, just tap on open and open up the GivBux app. And then you're going to tap on the bottom button, the sign up button right there. Okay, then here you need to either scan the invite code, a QR code that someone sent to you, or type in, it will say type in invitation code. So make sure you get this invitation code from the person who sent you this. I'm going to use the invitation code unleashed in this and then hit submit. And then you decide, are you registering as an individual or a company? I'm going to choose individual there and just tap on that. Then you enter your first name and your last name. I'm entering my first name and my last name here, Gloria McDonald. Then you enter your phone number. Okay. Then you hit the confirm that that is correct. Then you enter your email address. I'm just going to do test email. Then you confirm your email address, enter your zip code, and then you want to make up a four-digit security PIN. This is a PIN you will use multiple times when you move money into your account, so make sure it's something you're going to remember. I'm just doing 1, 2, 3, 4. This is not a real account I'm creating. And then you need to create a vanity or handle. This is going to be your username that you use all the time. So make it something simple. For the purposes of this, I'm going to use the name GMac. And then you just search to make sure no one has used that before. So that's good. You get the circle there with the check mark. And then you create a 8-character password. And I'm just going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it has to have one uppercase and one lowercase and a special character. Now, I learned that the special character cannot be, it cannot be a question mark. So I'm just going to add a lowercase, an uppercase, and a special character. I'll use the $ for this. Okay. And then I'm going to repeat that just so you can see it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you check that you agree to your terms and conditions and then hit submit. Okay. After that, you'll get a verification code sent to your phone and you want to enter that and then hit submit and then continue to follow the directions. It's super easy to get your account set up.